Greetings all, hope you're all well. Exciting news today from the Severn Valley Railway, where despite basking in the sunshine on one of the hottest days of the year so far, thoughts have moved in the direction of autumn. The identity of the first 2025 Autumn Gala guest Loco has been announced. And a very exciting one too, a fabulous locomotive which will be making its first visit to the railway. Visiting from the Gloucestershire-Warwickshire Steam Railway will be 35006, Merchant Navy class, Peninsular and Oriental. Designed in 1941 by Oliver Bulleid, these powerful locomotives, which were later classified as 8P by British Rail, had to also be adept at freight work in order to circumvent wartime building restrictions. A total of 30 Merchant Navy class locos were built, originally designed with air-smooth casing. All of the class were rebuilt during the 1950s, during which time the casing was removed. 35006 spent the entirety of its working life based at Salisbury Shed, and it was one of the last engines to receive modification, which took place in 1959. Withdrawn in August 1964, the Loco found itself in Barry Scrapyard, where it stayed for many years. During this time, many of its fittings were removed and it deteriorated into a very poor state. Finally, in 1983, a group purchased the Loco for restoration and it was moved to Toddington on the GWSR. It was the 144th locomotive to leave Barry. Restoration took a very long time, over 40 years in fact. It moved under its own power for the first time in August 2015, 51 years after its withdrawal from service on BR. May 2016 saw it ready to haul its first public service, which took place at the GWSR's Cotswold Festival of Steam. I've had the pleasure of seeing and riding behind 35006 many times at its home railway, and I can't wait to see it on the Severn Valley. With the full line due to reopen shortly, the Autumn Gala's already set to be a wonderful event. Well, thanks for watching, and be sure to keep an eye on the channel for further news and updates. And, of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and even, perhaps, leave a comment. I'll see you all soon. Cheerio.